fourth graders. Today we're going to do some more work with notes on the music staff. And if you don't have your music staff in front of you, we made it earlier, you should hit pause and go get it now. And if you don't have one, you should hit pause and make one that looks like this. It'll have 5 lines and the treble clef sign in the front of the 5 lines. And we're going to today be using quarters to put them in the spaces. And notice how it just touches the bottom, the quarter on the bottom and the top just touch the lines. So you want about that much distance. You can measure it with a quarter. You can guess to make straight lines like I did, or you can use a ruler. But please stop the video, get your music staff, and grab 8, actually you'll only need 7 quarters. If you have something else about the size of the quarter, that works too. So I'll give you just a few minutes, or just a few seconds, probably 30, to go get it. Okay, that was 15 seconds, but if you need more time, hit pause and go get what you need. So today, we're going to start out with a 3-letter word, and then we're going to go to a 4-letter, then 5, then 6, and then 7. And we're going to start out with the word fab. It's kind of an abbreviation for like fabulous. Like, that's totally fab that you wore that outfit. So you're going to use F, A, and B. Go ahead and put it on. I'm going to give you a few seconds to get it. Okay, and now I'm going to give you the answer. If you ever need more time to get it, just push pause. Now, F, name of the spaces are F-A-C-E, but you could also choose to put it here for every good boy does fine. I'm going to choose this one right here, fab. It's not really the exact spot. A, because the names of our spaces are F-A-C-E, and then I need a B right here. And another thing you should do to check your work is check and make sure that they go left to right. F, A, B. So if you run a pen or a pencil over the top, you should name them in order. F, A, B, when you're spelling a word or writing music. Let me give you an example of something you don't want. Sometimes kids just stack them like this, and then if you go over it, you get B, and then F and A at the same time. So you want to make sure that you go from left to right. F, A, B. Okay? Our 4-letter word today is cage. C-A-G-E. Alrighty. If you need more time, you can pause. C A G and E. And there could be two different E's. Could be that one, every good boy does fine. Or it could be up here in F, A, C, and E. And either one is correct. But we're going to check left to right. What word are we spelling? Yeah. C, A, G, E. I'm going to show you something that's not right. Sometimes kids think you do it from the bottom to the top. Look at what that spells. G, A, C, E. Nothing. So correct again would be C, A, G, and E. And again, you check it and you get the right answer. Okay. 5 letters. Okay, can clear those off. And the 5-letter word I'm going to have you put down is caged, like the animal was caged. C-A-G-E-D. Okay, check your work. C-A-G. We'll go E down here. And I'm going to tell you too that sometimes, like if you play piano or another instrument, sometimes kids know about notes that go off the staff. And that's great. But for music class today, we're going to use the ones that stay on the staff because that's our focus today. Check it left to right. C, A, G, E, D. Look at your own and see if that's what you have. Okay, 6-letter word. Our 6-letter word today is added. Like in math, I added the numbers. A, D, D, E, D. If you need more time, you can hit pause. It's totally fine. I'll give the answer. A, D, D. Again, 2 choices for the E. A, D, D, E, D. And if you chose to put the E down here, that is also correct. Do a check. A, D, D, E, D. Okay? I'm assuming you're doing a good job. 6-letter word. Add another quarter or token, whatever you're using. Our 6-letter word is decade, like a period of 10. No. Yeah, a decade, 10 years. D, E, C, A, D, E. Give you a little more time because this is a longer word. Decade. D, E, C, A, D, E. Okay, check your work with what I have. And I want you to notice I have my 6 at the top. Here's another way to do it instead of the pen. You just pull them down into the spot. D, E. Remember, two choices with the E. C, A. You want them to be right between, or you should see the line go right through the center. That's something you can't be sloppy on. And I chose the higher E. I'm showing both E's in this example. Checking with my pen. D, E, C, A, D, E. Okay. 7-letter word, add another token. The 7-letter word that we're doing today is cabbage. Cabbage. C-A-B-B. A-G-E. Give you some time. Okay, I will build it. Check yours with mine. C, A. I can put my A in there a little bit better. B, B, A. Sometimes I think about it too, make sure I'm in the right one. G, let's use this E. If you chose the higher E, that's correct also. Do the pen check. This is just to make sure they're lined up correctly. C, A, B, B, A, G, E. All right, we did 3 all the way through 7 words. In music class, what I usually do when I teach this is I have kids pair up and race. And I call it race to the place. And say a word, and then kids try to race, and whoever gets there first. And it is kind of a competitive game, so you have to just agree to get along. And it might be something you could do with somebody over Google Meets. Might be hard because you don't have somebody saying the name of the word, but if you want to figure it out and try it, you might choose to do that. If you want to get more practice on the notes, you can go back to the online practice that I have, and I'll post on the webpage too. And we are going to have a Schoology quiz on naming the notes next time. So make sure you're confident in that and you are ready for your quiz. Thanks for watching.